Hello students. Today we will discuss very important chapter of history, the Delhi Sultans. Students, Delhi first became the capital of a kingdom under the Tomar Rajput, who were defeated in the middle of the 12th century by the Chauhan of Ajmer. Under the Tomar and Chauhans, Delhi became an important and commercial center in the whole world. Coins were minted in Delhi. These were called Delhi Wal. When Prithviraj Chauhan was ruling at that time, Muhammad Gauri defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the second battle of Tarain in 1192 AD. Definitely, it was an important event in the history of medieval India. However, the successors of Muhammad Gauri assumed power in 1206 AD and ruled over India till 1526. Five dynasties ruled over Delhi sequentially: the Slave dynasty, the Khalji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty, the Sayyid dynasty, and last one, the Lodi dynasty. Slave dynasty. Kutubuddin Aibak 1206 till 1210. Kutubuddin Aibak is called Lakh Bucks because he used to donate lot of monies. He is also accepted as the first Muslim ruler of India. He got built Qubbatul Islam Mosque and Dhai Din Ka Jhopda Mosque and Qutub Minar. He got made Qutub Minar in the memory of Sheikh Khwaja Qutubuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. He died falling from horse while playing Chaugan in Lahore, and after that Shamsuddin Iltutmish from 1210 to 1236. On account of sudden death of Kutubuddin Aibak, he would not appointed his successor. That's why his disputed son Aram Shah was appointed as a king, but due to oppose of people, Iltutmish was appointed as king. He adopted the title of Nasir Amir-ul Mominin. He issued pure Arabic coins. The coins made of silver were known taka, while the coins which were made of copper were known jital. Iltutmish transferred his capital from Lahore to Delhi. Razia 1236 to 1240 AD, popularly known as Razia Sultana. She is notable for being the first female Muslim rulers of South Asia. She died near Kaithal. Next, Ghayasuddin Balban 1266 1287. He founded Balban dynasty. He introduced Jameen Bosi or practice of Sizda. Under his, the people had to knee down and touch the ground with their head while greeting the Sultan. He did not allow ulamas, religious preachers, to interfere into the political affair of the state. He created new department of military affairs known as Diwan Aris. He adopted blood and iron policy. Next one, Khalji dynasty. Jalaluddin Khalji 1290 to 1296. He was founder and first Sultan of Khalji dynasty. He made Kilokhari as his capital, he was assassinated by his nephew Alauddin Khalji. Next, Alauddin Khalji, 1296 to 1316. He is famous for market control. He established 3 separate markets as food grains, costly clothes, and slave and cattle markets. The markets were controlled by officers Shahnai Mandi. He introduced branding the horse and Huliya or Chehra. Next, Tughlaq dynasty. Ghayasuddin Tughlaq 1320 to 1324. He was the first ruler and founder of Tughlaq dynasty who reigned over the Sultanate of Delhi. He founded the city Tughlaqabad. He died under mysterious circumstances. After that, his son Muhammad Tughlaq 1324 to 1351. Muhammad bin Tughlaq ascended to the throne of Delhi after the death of his father. Muhammad bin Tughlaq is famous for his disastrous projects like transfer of capital from Delhi to Daulatabad, introduction of token money, Khurasan expedition, tax in Doab. Apart from it, Ibn Battuta, the famous traveler and jurist from Morocco, was a guest at his court. Now, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, 1351 to 1388. He established the Diwan-e-Bandagan, Department of Slave. He established 4 major cities: Firozabad, Fatehabad, Jaunpur, and Hisar. He established hospital known as Darul Shifa. He constructed canals. He also imposed Hab Asharb, tax over irrigation. 4th dynasty, Sayyid dynasty. Khizr Khan 1414 till 1421. He was the founder of the Sayyid dynasty. His reign was marked by chaos and uproar. He died in 1421. Last dynasty, Lodi dynasty. Bahlol Lodi from 1451 to 1489. Bahlol Lodi was the founder of the Lodi dynasty from the Delhi Sultanate. He became Sultan of the dynasty on 19 April 1451. After Bahlol Lodi, Sikandar Lodi became Sultan. He founded Agra. After Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi became Sultan and he was the last Sultan. He fought Babur in 1526 in the first battle of Panipat and he was defeated, and in this way Delhi Sultans came to an end. Thanks for watching.